Have you damaged, lost or broken the key to your Rover? Don't worry. Car Key Solutions will get you back on the road pronto, whatever model you're driving. With our emergency call-out service, we'll be with you within the hour, and 99% of the time we'll have you back on the road the very same day. Serving London, the M25 and surrounding areas, we'll come to the rescue 7 days a week, from morning till night. You can also visit us at one of our Car Keys shops located in North London or South London for car key replacement while you wait. Perhaps the blade is broken or the remote is not working. Maybe the remote buttons are missing or your Rover won't start because of a transponder fault. Whatever the problem, we'll fix it. On top of our Rover key repairs, we also offer key replacements and duplicates, car key programming for your transponder chip, car key opening and lock or ignition barrel repairs. So for the hassle-free way to sort out your Rover car key problems, choose Car Key Solutions. Your trusted auto locksmith, rated 5 stars on Trustpilot and Safe Buy. Call us now